Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your device supports eSIM and that Mobimatter lists your carrier. This prevents dead ends. Once done, purchase the Mobimatter eSIM plan and keep the QR or activation code handy. You'll need it immediately. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and that the phone is charged above half. Backups protect contacts and settings. Start the built-in eSIM installer, settings, or cellular menu, because that's where you input the code or scan the QR and initiate provisioning. You now scan the Mobimatter QR or manually enter the SMDP Plus server and activation code. This is the exact handshake that delivers your profile, so be precise. Once the profile downloads, label it clearly, primary for data or secondary for travel, and then assign it for cellular data or voice as your use case dictates. After you toggle the eSIM enabled, the network will provision. If provisioning stalls, toggle airplane mode briefly and try again, because that forces a fresh network registration. You finish by verifying service. Check signal bars, open a web page, send an SMS, and place a quick call. These tests confirm the network registered correctly. Once working, decide whether to eject the physical SIM or leave it for fallback, and set default lines for messaging and data so apps use the eSIM first. If anything goes wrong, try airplane mode, then a restart, and rescan the QR. If problems persist, contact Mobimatter support with your activation code for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.